So in this demo, we're showing our EV6X vision processor doing a deep learning inference task. You can actually see here, this is TinyYOLO. We can take any CNN graph and map it to our hardware. And what we actually have is a graph running on this FPGA platform. It's our HAPS-80 platform. So we're emulating the performance of what our chip would be. This graph, TinyYOLO, is doing object detection. As you see, it's detecting people. But the interesting thing about vision is deep learning is important, but it's not enough. So you have a CNN engine, but you also need a vector processor. So what we can do here by clicking on a button here is turning on the vector processor. So a CNN works on a frame-by-frame basis. It has no memory of what happened in the previous frame. But now with the vector processor, it has these dots that it can track in between frames. So now the vector processor does the tracking. It's doing sparse optical flow and more traditional computer vision. So with sparse optical flow combined with a CNN algorithm like TinyYOLO in this case, you have a more robust vision system. And you can imagine in a front camera of a car, if you want to be able to track an object, maybe moving into your path, that would be important. Or in a surveillance application, maybe you're wanting to track a certain person with a certain facial recognition or a certain color outfit on, you could then track them in the shot. So this is showing deep learning combined with traditional computer vision. For more information on our solutions, look at our website, synopsys.com. Thank you very much.